Hey there. All right, we're going to talk about chapter 32, which is plant reproduction. This is the section that I always kind of fear the most, if we're being honest with each other, but that's okay. It's just because it has a lot of life cycle diagrams that I personally like. It takes me a minute to kind of settle in and figure out what we're doing and where we're going. So, just have a little bit of patience with yourself. It's all brand new. You'll get through it, and because there are 6 chapters, there really aren't that many questions per topic in your test. So don't freak out. And remember, of course, you can retake it as many times as you need. All right, so in section 1, we're going to talk about reproductive development and structure. So you're going to be able to describe the 2 stages of a plant's life cycle. You're going to compare and contrast gametophytes and explain how they form. You're going to be able to describe the reproductive structures like a flower. And you're also going to go back into gymnosperms and look at their life cycle as well. In section 2, you're going to talk about pollination and fertilization. So you're going to figure out what must happen for plant fertilization to occur. You're going to look at cross-pollination and self-pollination and non-self-pollination. You're going to be able to describe the process that leads to seed development. And you're also going to be able to describe double fertilization, which is like a totally weird plant thing that happens. And then in the final section, we're going to talk about asexual reproduction in plants, which does happen. If you don't believe me, you can look up the aspen clone. It's like one of the largest organisms in the world. Anyway, you don't have to take my word for it. That's my point. In asexual reproduction section, you're going to look at natural and artificial asexual reproduction, describe the advantages and disadvantages of natural and artificial asexual reproduction, and also talk about plant lifespans. Plant lifespans is weirdly something that I talk about in my day job as a conservation scientist a lot. So I'm excited for you guys to kind of review that material and come to your own conclusions. All right. This is the last chapter of the week, so I hope you have fun and I hope you do great on the test, and I'll see you in the next video.